Are you seeing the Database Library DLL runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows systems specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. Before we dive into the database library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Database Library, a generic naming convention used by localized game engines, often Asian MMOs or simulators, to house the local database management logic for player assets and inventory. It manages the serialization of SQL or XML data into game memory. If missing, the game will usually hang at the connecting or loading data screen with no specific error message. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. If you see a Database Library DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Localized database orchestration subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing database library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Database Library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing database library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved database library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.